Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce the newest products. On my right hand, these are two-door freezers. And for this all stainless steel display models, let's take a look at the overall size first. The entire length, about 54 inches in the length. And include the front handle, the handles total will be 33 inches in depth. And for the overall height, it's about like 82.5 inches. This is outside the overall dimensions. As you can see, we're having the controller system on top right here. You can set in the temperatures. For freezer, you have defrosting system. Also, you can set up from here. And the switches for the lights and the powers. And this door also soft close with the locker on top. And you can see the inner side, they have a big circling fan on top of it. And also have the LED lights on the two sides. Let me take a measurement for the inner dimensions. The overall length will be 49.5 inches. And the depth will be 27 inches. And the height is about like a 51.5 inches. As you can see, the inner side, we're having the 1, 2, 3, the 3 shelvings for each of the door. They are adjustable and also have the diagram information right here, the power connections and the barcode for the units. If you need a faster service, you can scan it or just contact with us. Okay, this is the outside looks. Let's take a look at the back side. For back side, you will see this are using the 110 US standard plugs and all the connections right here. You see under the grills have the compressors and the coils, and also have the stickers right here. They with the model names and this faster service barcodes, and also have a lockable wheels at the bottoms. This is all the information for the units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.